In this chapter, we are going to call payable functions, and the logic for attack change name and also the change DNA will be extremely similar, so they are trivial to implement and we won't spend time on coding them in this lessons. And so let's look at another type of function that requires special treatment, and this is payable functions. If you remember, we created the zombie helper and added a payable function where the user can level up, and the function level up is require the message.value is equal to the level up fee. So let's look at the zombie helper, and the level up fee is 0.001 Ether. So the level up is this one. And what's a way? A way is a smaller subunit of Ether, and this is 10 to the 18 way. So there is many 0 in 1 Ether. So we do not need to do it by ourselves because there is a functions to convert 1 Ether to way. So for example, in our DM, if the level up fee is 0.001 Ether, we just need to use this to convert this to way, and then we put it to the test. We create a functions which take one parameter, which is zombie ID, and we add a level up function below the feed on kitty. So let's back to the HTML and go down to here, and then we type function level up, and then we pass the zombie ID. And then the other thing is, actually we can just copy this. It said it should display the transaction status. Level up your zombie. So we can replace this. And then the other is when it calls level up the contract, it sends 0.001 Ether, which converted to weight. So we can copy these functions, and then under this we paste to here. And now if you go to here, you can see we have return. So we need to paste the return before these functions, and then we have on success and on error, but in here we do not have success, we just have receive. So now we have the test status, but we do not need to display any zombies because it just level up. And then we have to replace this test with power overwhelming. So it should say that we haven't changed this, so we replace this and try again.